Welcome, dear students. Today we will be doing an activity based on lesson that is so many kinds of animals. Our activity name is guessing game. This activity is like a game which you all will enjoy. So let me first explain that what you all have to do in this activity. Children, I will ask you all some questions and you all have to guess the correct answer. So let's start with our guessing game activity. So the first question is, I have 2 legs and feathers on my body. My 2 wings help us to fly in the sky. Guess, who am I? Yes, right children, I am a bird. Next question is, I have 2 wings like a bird, but I have 6 legs. I can fly too. Guess, who am I? Yes, very good children. I am an insect. Next question now. I have scales on my body and I breathe through my gills. My fins help me to swim in water. Guess, who am I? Yes, right children, I am a fish. Next is, I have scales on my body like a fish, but I crawl on land. Guess, who am I? Yes, very good children. I am a reptile. Okay children, now we will do other activity, that is think and tell. So the question is, a beetle is an animal that flies, but is it a bird or insect? Yes, very good. Answer is, a beetle is an insect because it has 6 legs. Birds have only 2 legs. Okay, insects have how many legs? 6 legs. And beetle is having 6 legs, so that's why it is an insect. Next question is, what is common between a fish and a chameleon? Yes, right children. Fish and a chameleon both have scales on their body. Next question is, name an animal which has strips on its body. Yes, very good. A zebra has strips on its body. Why do people who live in deserts keep camels? Yes, right. People who live in deserts keep camels for transport. Why do people keep sheep? Yes, very good. Sheep give a wool. That's why people keep them. Why do people keep hens? Yes, right. Hens give us egg. That's why people keep hens. Write the names of animals which run very fast. Yes, right children. Deer and cheetah run very fast. Write the names of birds which soar high into the sky. Soar high means ज़्यादा ऊंचा फ्लाई करने वाली bird. Which bird it is? Yes, very good children. It's eagle. Which animals have spots on their body? Yes, right children. Leopards have spots on their body. Which animals have a mane? Mane means जो animals जिनके गले पर बाल होते हैं. So, which animals have a mane? Yes, very good. A horse or horses have a mane. Okay children, I hope you all enjoyed this activity a lot. So that's all for today. Thank you children.